Hey everybody, it's Liam here, and I'm going to be showing you today how to configure your Stripe invoicing with Syncrostore. So the first thing you're going to want to do is scroll on down to your preferences, selecting preferences and navigating to settlements. Once you're in settlements, you're going to scroll on down to the payment configuration webhook section. Here you're going to see the webhook URL. This is going to be important later. I'm going to recommend that you select it and you copy it to your clipboard. However, if you need to come back here later, that's completely fine. The next thing I'm going to want you to do is click on this link here to access your Stripe dashboard. Once your page finally loads, you're going to select Add Destination. You're going to leave your account selected. We're going to scroll on down. Scroll until we find Invoice. We're going to select it. We're going to click Select All Invoice Events. We're going to hit Continue. Then we're going to leave Webhook Endpoint selected and click Continue again. Now here we get to come up with a name for our configuration. We're just going to call this Enchanted Cheeks Invoice. Invoice. Cool. And here, this endpoint URL is where we are going to paste this webhook URL from Syncrostore. So I'll copy and paste it again. We'll copy it and we'll drop it in here. There we go. Then you can enter a description here if you'd like. However, it's not necessary, so I'm going to leave it blank. We're going to click Create Destination. Perfect. And that should navigate you to this page where you can see your new endpoint. What we're going to do from here is scroll down to where it says Signing Secret. Here you'll see that it is actually blocked out, so you can't see it automatically. Do not share this with anyone, but what you're going to want to do is click this I to reveal your webhook secret. You're going to select it, copy it, navigate back to Syncrostore, and you're going to paste it here in this field where it says Signing Secret. I'm going to paste it and click Save Webhook Secret. Cool. I'm going to click that now. Cool. And the webhook signing secret is saved. And Syncrostore will now listen for any paid invoices sent via Syncrostore.